It's Emily and Kaylee from the Tennessee Beef Industry Council, and today we thought we'd help you all out with an easy recipe that you can make for dinner with your kiddos in the kitchen, letting them help out and have a little fun too. So our recipe we're going to make today is the easy beef pizza recipe. It's for a personal size pizza for everyone can have their own little slice of what they like. So we're going to kind of get started. So I'm kind of point out our ingredients for y'all. So we have our Italian beef sausage right here. I have the recipe in the description for this as well on how to make this. You can also find it on beefiswhatsfordinner.com. And then we have some of our topping items that we kind of each like, I would say. So we have some olives, some bell peppers and onions, some okra, some red chili flakes. We have some mozzarella cheese, some banana peppers, some cheddar cheese, and then some Tabasco sauce because Kaylee likes Tabasco sauce on her pizza.
I like everything spicy.
So, and then of course we have our sandwich thins that we are going to split in half. So that would give, for me and Kaylee, that would give us each 2 pizzas of our choosing and how we want to make it. So what we'll do is kind of get started. So I'm gonna get me and Kaylee both a pizza tin. And what you'll do is you'll just kind of break this open in half. You have 2 little pieces like this. And then we're gonna put these down on our plate or a sheet pan, because what we'll do is once we get these ready, we'll pop them in the oven under the broil setting for about 3 to 4 minutes. Get the cheese all melted good. So first, I'm gonna start off with putting some meat sausage on the pizza. And then Kaylee, can I talk to us a little bit about what you're gonna be putting on your pizza?
Oh, I am an everything type of girl. I will put anything and everything on top of my pizza. So I'm actually gonna be mixing some cheeses. So I'll do like, a little bit of mozzarella, a little bit of cheddar. And then I do like, obviously the little kick. And then I'm gonna top it off with some banana pepper. And I don't know, I just found the okra in the fridge.
You just found it.
And I'm like, that sounds great. And then, I also thought about doing some chocolate syrup on it, but I'm just kidding. We're not gonna combine chocolate and beef.
We got the jokes today, everyone.
But if you want to combine chocolate and beef, you're more than happy to do that.
Yeah.
Especially for kids, I feel like they would definitely do that.
We could have a dessert pizza.
Yes.
So obviously we're all about beef here, but you could do a dessert pizza with like chocolate sauce and candy and different things like that. This recipe is definitely, I would say, universal. But we're all about the beef here. So that's what we're gonna use to make ours. So I'm gonna actually put a little bit of this bell pepper and onion on there.
Ooh.
Give it a little sprinkle.
I might steal some of that too.
Please do. Give us a little sprinkle of this. And then I'm actually going to do some like olives on mine. So I'm just going to put a few of these just all along the top. If you like your pizza to have everything on it, you want to get you a deluxe pizza, you like tomatoes, you like onions, mushrooms, you can totally add that to this recipe. It's whatever toppings you want. If you like a Hawaiian style pizza and you want to add some pineapples, some ham, you can totally do that. It's definitely easy and kind of up to you as to what you make your topping.
And this beef smells amazing.
Really
this
good.
mixture is something. I'm gonna need to take that recipe myself.
And you can find that recipe, like I mentioned before, on beefiswhatsfordinner.com, as well as this recipe we're making today. And it will also have how to make this beef Italian sausage recipe. As for the bread that we're using, these slices, you can get whatever kinds you want. We happen to be using the keto one today. Was the one that they had at the grocery store. It was handy when I went and picked these up. But if you want to do multigrain, whole wheat, if you could find, gluten-free, whatever kind of works for you and your dietary needs, be perfect. Like I said, this is very universal and can be done many, many different ways to kind of suit you and what you like.
And the kids are gonna love this, because it's so easy to make, and you can do it with your hands. You don't have to use any utensils or anything. It's just super easy and fun.
Get everyone in the kitchen. Kids love usually to cook, and so this is a really fun, entertaining way to do that. So I'm going to start putting some cheese on top of my mini
Oh, I
pizza.
forgot my Tabasco.
I'm going to get that Tabasco.
You just be like my grandpa and just put Tabasco on everything.
So, sprinkle in some good cheese. I like a lot of cheese, so
I think everybody likes
I'm
a lot
loaded
of
up.
cheese.
There's that. So I think I'm pretty much done with mine. I did add some banana pepper. I didn't mention that at first, but I added some banana pepper to mine to give it a little kick. So are you got your pizza good?
My pizza's good to go.
Okay, my pizza's good too. So what we'll do now is, like I mentioned before, we're gonna put this in the oven under the broil setting for about 3 to 4 minutes, just trying to get this cheese all melty and gooey and tasty. And so what we're gonna do right now is pop this in the oven, and then we'll be right back to show you all our final product. Okay guys, we're back at it. We've got our little pizzas out of the oven. We put them on this little plate right here, and I think we're gonna do a little taste test.
They're
they
so
look
good.
so good.
Honestly, vote which one looks
Looks
better. I think mine looks
I think,
better.
No, I think mine. So vote, tell us who's really looks better. We're gonna give us a little taste test, see what we think about our little pizza.
Oh, it's so crispy. And it
So,
was not in the
that's kinda what it
oven for
looks
very
like.
long at all.
No, it was super quick. So if you're looking for a quick dinner hack that's healthy and good, this is a great option.
Oh, that's really good.
Cheers.
Really, really good. Cheers.
It's good stuff, guys.
Cheers from home.
Remember, if you're looking for easy dinner recipes just like this and others, and finding a way to include beef into your weekly routine of dinner, please be sure to check out beefitswhatsfordinner.com. See you later.